Alright, so it is Monday, 6:50 a.m. and bro, I am fucking awake already. There's not even much need to do this, but I thought we'd just do, start to the week, we talk, discuss. I've had bro, I haven't drank coffee in about 2 years, but I've been told all high-level performers are on some sort of substance. So I thought, you know what, bro, let's just have some fucking coffee, and to be fair, I feel pretty awake. I haven't even had my cold shower yet, and I feel pretty awake. Woke up at 5 a.m, so I've been editing, making TikToks. Well, I made one TikTok. I haven't even made one TikTok, I made like half a TikTok, so I'll put the TikTok in the description. Go follow the TikTok if you want. It probably won't be, it'll be a bit, maybe brain rotted. I don't know, whatever. But yeah, I'm just experimenting with a new routine where I'll be waking up at, today it was 5 a.m, but most days it's going to be 4 a.m. And to be fair, considering it was my first day making TikTok videos, I actually was pretty productive with it. I've already basically made one. Hopefully I'll be able to get that out later. But onto the fucking trading. Who gives a shit about that? Everyone's already fucking skipped to the end. So if you're still watching, fair enough, because, bro, my YouTube analytics, like the retention, so it goes like that, and then it'll go down, but there'll be like a lump in the middle where I'm at school. So like the lump means people are just like skipping to the part where I'm in school. So fair enough, whoever's watching this. Sorry, let's get into the fucking trading, right? Trading, I'm actually feeling a bit nervous, because we've got a bit of drawdown in the account. Like, the drawdown can be, like, it's 500 drawdown, 5% drawdown, we've got 10% max drawdown. Nothing to worry about. It can be recovered in 2 trades. 2 good trades and it can be recovered. So, by the end of the week, my goal for the week is just to get the account out of drawdown, really. If not, it's fine. But we're definitely not going to blow the account this week. Like, I've definitely allowed myself to know, like, bro, just trade one session, man. Just trade one fucking session, and that's going to be London, for the reasons I described in previous videos. So I recommend to you guys, because, in my mind, if I can cut out different variables, then it can be condensed into few factors which could be affecting the trading. And one of the factors affecting trading is session timing, and not just because the markets move different in different sessions, because psychologically and physically, I'm in a different space in different sessions. Like London, I've just woken up, I'm the freshest I'll be all day. I've had I'm probably had one meal, which is low carb. I'm fucking ready to go on London session. But New York, I've had 2 meals, it's already 8 hours into the day. I've had school for half the day already. I'm all sloppy, bro. I can't concentrate the same. So I recommend you guys just pick and choose one session, depending on where you live, obviously. Probably not Asia session. Although, if London session is in the middle of the night, and New York session is at school, and your school is completely banned devices, completely, which, to be fair, I don't really see how you couldn't sneak on it if you really fucking want to trade bad enough. Then maybe trade Asia, but I'd still recommend, bro, just don't be a lazy fuck. If you live in the US, yeah, you're gonna have to wake up at 3 a.m. Just fucking do it, man. If you fucking, want it bad enough, you probably don't want to be trading Asia session. And like I said, if your fucking phones aren't allowed out in school, or you just want to concentrate, bro, just fucking wake up early if you're from the US. Deadass. Go to sleep early, wake up early. Yeah, that's my fucking advice from someone who's personally not waking up at 2:30 a.m. But if you gotta do it, you gotta fucking do it. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah, point of that. I'm only taking one trade in one session. For the first hour of the session as well, to be honest. And the 15 minutes before, I allow myself a little leeway. But yeah, one thing I just need to be careful of is looking like, I'm forgetting about 15-minute, like, bro, I need 15-minute, like, displacement or break a structure or an inversion of a fair value gap. I wasn't really looking for that last week, looking back, like, recapping my shit. So, it's one thing I've got to be careful of. I'm fine with looking for hourly sweeps. I don't even think my daily bias is that bad, tracking that. But, yeah, I fucking, like, let's turn this up a bit. I really need to just make sure I'm getting those 15-minute inversions or 15-minute breaker structures before entering a trade. It can be either or. My 1-minute fair value gaps. I'm good at finding the 1-minute fair value gaps. Like, I'm good at finding the perfect ones. I have no issue with that. But at the same time, it's not a perfect fair value gap if we haven't broken structure on a 5-minute or 15-minute, ideally 15-minute. So, that's what I'm just going to be conscious of. And yeah, speak to you guys for the pre-market analysis. Alright everyone, welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let's get into the charts. So, starting on the daily, I'm pretty bullish. We came down into here, wicked it. This bullish fair value gap, we did that on Friday. I just think it's going to ready to get sent up, at least, you know, into here again. Going to the 4-hour. 4-hour is starting to trend upwards, although we kind of did fail to inverse this 4-hour fair value gap. We did fail to inverse this, so I don't know. We're trending upwards, but honestly, I feel like it might draw to here. I just have a feeling because it's hit this bearish fair value gap. I think it's going to draw here, so I'm bearish on the 4-hour. Go to the 1-hour. We are literally in a 1-hour imbalance. So that kind of complicates it. I won't want to go short when we're in a 1-hour imbalance. If anything, I'd want to go long from here. 15-minute, we do have a little sweep of here. But on the 1-hour, we're in the fair value gap. So I think it's going to get sent upwards. 1 minute. I mean, market opens in literally 10 minutes. So, I think the thing is, I would want to see displacement upwards, a breaker structure here. I'd want to see this level get broken above, and then I'd look for longs. Moving on to GU. We're going to have to make this quick. Daily. My daily bias is still bullish, I'd say. Swept this come Friday, and I reckon we're going to head up to this imbalance here. To be fair, I think we'll come up to this imbalance. I'm going to just remove all the drawings. 4-hour, again, we swept to this level here, heading upwards. We actually inverse this fair value gap, so I'm going to say bullish. 1-hour. 1-hour, there's actually nothing super interesting on the 1-hour. There's nothing I'm liking very much on the 1-hour, so we've got this here. It could draw into there, and maybe I'll start looking for longs. But from what's happening right now, I mean, right now, that's talking in the future. Right now, we're in a 1-hour bearish fair value gap. We've also swept buy side. So if anything, I'd probably short this. I mean, the 4-hour is trending downwards, that's the thing. And it's not like a strong inverse, so if anything, I'm going to look for shorts on GU and longs on GJ. So that wraps up the pre-market analysis, and I'll see you guys later, let you know if I've taken any trades. Alright, so it is London session, and as usual, I'm cooking my food. I really thought a trade would set up now, to be honest. I'm kind of switching between GBP, USD, and GBP, JPY. GJ, GU, I'll just say that, it's so much easier, man. I'm just waiting for a break of structure, really, and it's not happening. So, skip to an hour later, I'm in class now, and look, I'm on the 1 minute, I've seen my entry, and we're in.
Harry, put the phone mode. Tell me the answer. Is it true or false, number 5?
It's true. No, false, it's 7, isn't it?
No. Duration is 18 seconds, but it is false. Why is it false?
Is it 7?
No, it's 18 seconds. What's false about the statement? That's capacity is 7. And so that's what I'm on about, guys. Like, luckily I got to set my stop loss. But I was kind of getting excited. Like, I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna hit the TP. But it never did. It never did. I'm just gonna spoil it for you guys. Yeah, but to be fair, I got lucky with that stop loss because I was in a rush. As you can tell, the teacher does not want me on my phone. So I accidentally set it a bit too low. So even if this trade hit take profit, it would have been pure luck. Okay, now we're in economics and I'm journaling the trade using Notion. Join the Discord if you want the Notion template. And join the Discord anyway. So, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. I am not exactly having the best time. As you can probably see, I have knocked my tooth out at the gym. We lost the fucking trade. My mic won't work with my phone. My phone's about to die. And I have a maths test tomorrow, which I haven't revised for. And I'm pretty sure I've lost my calculator. So, that's not fucking good. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Let's look for the positives. Trade review. We're going to be on Notion right now, so going through it daily. My daily bias, oh yeah, by the way, we traded GJ, if you couldn't tell, London session. My daily bias was bullish because we had inversed this fair value gap with big momentum, and we'd broken structure, and it was uptrending. 4 hour. 4 hour. We were in this bearish imbalance, but we rebalanced it, so I thought, okay, longs look pretty nice, and we were starting to trend upwards on here with like huge fucking wicks. You know, it's wicking down, which just shows there's a lot of bullish support now. Onto the 1 hour. You can see it's uptrending really nicely when we're getting higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. This dotted line was session open. You know, we've wicked into this fair value gap. Uh-oh, the light's going out. Okay, let's hurry this up. We've got a dim light, bro. The light's battery's so bad. Anyway, yeah, we keep respecting these fair value gaps, which shows it's still pushing up, which induced longs. 15-minute sweep of this 15-minute low here, which I wouldn't take the trade solely off of a sweep of a 15-minute low. The context behind it was we had retraced into this hourly imbalance here. That was my hourly fucking context. And then the 15-minute, we got a sweep of that, which is nice, you know, with a wick. But the thing is, right, I was really patient. I'll give myself that. I wanted to wait for this high here to get broken above. We got broken above, okay, and I waited for that. But we broke above, and I got stopped out. I should have been stopped out here. I got lucky. I was in class, and I was quick to place my stop loss, so it was a little bit dodgy. But it was still 100 risk. I didn't, like, over-risk or anything. Yeah, and I mean, so everything went right. It's just my freaking entry was off, and I literally got stopped out by a few pips. Not a single pip, but I'll show you guys what I wish I did. Okay, so instead of waiting for 15-minute breaker structure and waiting for that, because we had it, you know, breaking above already, but I was waiting for the candle to close. I should have gone, you know what? These relative equal lower highs, we've broken them already on the 5-minute. We're changing market structure shift on the 5-minute. We're already changing. I should have gone to the 1-minute then, after seeing the 5-minute, and gone, you know what? From this level here, after this got broken, after this candle here closed, super bullish. I should have gone, right, time to look for the perfect fair value gap entrance. What do we have here? What do we have here? I mean, we have the second fair value gap getting tapped into, but I want to take my ideal one, which was there. It's actually kind of hard to spot that, but it's there. It's not super small. It's not super small. It's pretty visible. This would have been the perfect freaking trade. This is with hindsight, though, at the end of the day. Stop below the fair value gap. TP. Up there. You know, we can target if we go on the 50-minute. If we just go on the 15-minute. I mean, we could target here, but that's a pretty... I won't go for a 1.82. You could go up there for a 1 to 3, but I'd probably just put it somewhere in the middle. 2.57. Would have got smashed. Anyway, my daily bias being bullish was fucking decent. So I'm happy with that. That's it for the trade recap. I'm gonna have to go to the dentist, get this shit filled in. It's not gonna be fun, but I'm off to sleep. I'm just gonna go off to sleep, but I can't be out stressing about all this bullshit that's happened today. Oh, I need to see if I've lost my calculator. See you guys tomorrow. Oh, join the Discord. Join the Discord. We've got loads of profitable traders. We've got me in there if you want to fucking talk to me. We're going to be doing accountability stuff. So freaking join it, guys. Freaking join it. You guys have missed out on the fucking free community, though. So unlucky. If you thought about joining and you didn't, you were too slow, I'm afraid. Too slow. But you want to join a community with like-minded traders to stay disciplined, stay accountable, learn shit from profitable traders. Freaking join. Link in description. Okay. See you guys.